In a world where creativity meets technology, the textile industry is transforming. Imagine a blank canvas, pure and untouched. Now, envision vibrant patterns and textures, digitally crafted with the precision of a master artist. This is the new language of fabric design. As the designer's vision takes form on screen, a machine hums to life. A 3D printer translating digital dreams into tangible reality. Each layer it prints adds depth, color, and character, transforming the once blank canvas into a wearable masterpiece. And then the reveal, a stunning garment, vibrant and intricate. Not just a product of fashion, but a testament to the power of technology. A piece of art that can be worn, felt, and admired. This is the fusion of fashion and technology. It's not just about creating beautiful designs, it's about revolutionizing an industry. This is fashion at the speed of tech. Welcome to the future. Discover more, explore the possibilities. This is the new language of fabric design.